Many people start affiliate marketing in a hope that it is very easy. I just need to put link in my videos and people will buy from it. And after doing this, when they don't receive any sales, they think affiliate marketing is not working for them. But the problem is not in affiliate marketing, and it's not that affiliate marketing is not working. It's just that you are using a wrong strategy. And that is the reason you're getting zero sales. And before I move to the right strategy, I want to clear out some common myths which you have probably heard from these influencers and YouTubers. Many people say that you just need to get accepted in affiliate programs, and once you get those affiliate links and you put them in your bio or content, and you will start receiving sales within 1 to 2 weeks, and many say about overnight. And let me tell you, this is not how affiliate marketing works. These people completely hides the main work, which is how your content will reach to you, the target audience, so that they can see your link and buy from it. Because before someone can click on your link and buy, they first have to see your content and then they will reach to the link. And if you don't get views, no matter how good your content or product is, if no one sees it, you will not get any sales. So, to get your sales, first of all, you need to fix these points, which I'm going to tell you. Because I've already wasted my time and have done these mistakes, so I don't want you to repeat the same. So, you need to save your time by fixing these mistakes in early stage. First is building audience. If you ask, what can I do? I don't even have any audience. How I will promote any product? How I can do affiliate marketing? Before worrying for links and sales, your first work should be to focus on making content and getting some views. And look, no one starts with 10k followers. These numbers grow eventually when you keep making content consistently, and this will obviously take some time. The second point is promoting random products. If you're promoting clothes, pet products, software, fishing kit, makeup, etc., etc., your audience plus algorithm both will get confused and you will lose trust and authority in your content. To avoid this mistake, you first need to pick a niche and make your target audience. You will start targeting specific group of people who are actually interested in your product. For example, if you picked cat product niche, then your target audience would be the pet owners who have cat. So you will start making content specifically targeting those kind of people. Third point is picking wrong niche. If you have picked any kind of niche which is not so popular and have limited products, then the chances of getting sales would be very low. Like if you picked a product like running shoes for women above 40s, this niche is very narrow and the products in it are very limited. So you don't need to pick this kind of niche. You need to pick a niche which has demand and have enough products to promote. The fourth point is giving up within 1 to 2 months. If you think you will post 10 to 20 videos and sale will just come in, then you are completely wrong. And I know many people claim this that you will start earning within 1 to 2 months just by purchasing their course. And use your mind, this is not even true. To even see some views in your content, you have to wait for at least 1 to 2 months. And after you start getting some views, then you can have a hope to see some sales. And this is the actual process. You will not directly jump to the process of making sales. You have to build your base first, where your audience will come and see your content, and then they will make a purchase. You need to be consistent to see some result, not in just affiliate marketing, but in every kind of business model. Initial effort is needed before you can even see some result. So you need to fix these mistakes first, and after that, you will also see some sales from affiliate marketing. And don't hurry, pick one mistake today, fix it, learn from it, and then move to the other. Affiliate marketing is not that hard. You just need to use right approach, and you will also start earning from it. I keep making these kind of honest side hustles and business model breakdown because I have done it and have a real life experience with all kind of business models, and it took me months to understand what is working and what is not. So I don't want you to waste your time. That's why I keep making these kind of videos so that you can start working in right direction without any doubt. So make sure to subscribe and also like if you learned something from this video, and also share your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.